Welcome to the channel, how to get pure quartz in Palworld. You can build quartz mining site to farm pure quartz. To do that, press tab, go to technology, search quartz, and this is pure quartz mining site. It will be unlocked at level 50. It needs 70 stone, 100 pure quartz, 30 palladium fragments to build. Let's build it. This is pure quartz mining site. After you have built it, assign a pal to mine pure quartz. It will generate pure quartz passively. If you don't have access to quartz mining site, you can get it manually. My favorite spot to get the quartz is here on the map. It's in this icy region. Here. To go there, I'll proceed here. I will use jet dragon to move to that location. From here, go straight above. And this is the location. But here we'll have to eliminate these guys. After the area is clear, I will use my pickaxe to mine pure quartz. And here are pure quartz. I can also assign a pal to mine pure quartz, such as dig twice. It will save my pickaxe. So this is how you can get pure quartz in Palworld. Okay, if this guide helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.